Actually, I was just trying to speak English. It was not coming out from my mouth.
Why are you so serious then?
Actually, I was so serious because I have seen so many students who are saying, मैं तो इंग्लिश सीखने आ रहा हूँ ना. मैंने कहा भाई तू सीरियस क्यों है? सीरियस पढ़ाई है मैम ये. That's why ना क्या हो सकता है? That's why I thought that I need to also be serious. That maybe I will get more improvement. But we are laughing. We are laughing because we are just taking as a fun English language, but they are taking as better. Yeah. What do you think about really? What is English?
What I experienced, I learned it with fun.
Okay.
Free mind.
Okay.
In a funky way, actually, I can say.
But sometimes they say like, yeah. ये आपका प्रोफेशन है. why do you laugh every day? Why you just telling every day कि हाँ कोई बात नहीं है, take it as a fun and just speak. So what do you think about? We should be serious for that or not?
I think we should not be serious actually. And you need to also tell to your student, if somebody asks to you like we need to be serious or be frank, so I will tell you that you need to take it as a fun.
तो ठीक है, जब हम ऐसे ही बात कर रहे हैं थोड़ा वीडियो शूट कर लेते हैं हम लोग के लिए.
बिल्कुल. Let's start then.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our Happiness Education channel. So today me and Shavak, we both are after a long time, we are just going to shoot video together.
Of course, after many months actually.
Yeah, when she went village, do you remember? Do you remember guys? Now she came back.
Actually I came after a week actually, but after a long time we are shooting.
Yeah, she came but she didn't wanna meet me. मुझसे मिलना ही नहीं चाहती थी. I was calling again and again, Shavak, I want to shoot video with you, and she was saying, okay, we'll shoot today, we'll shoot tomorrow, we'll shoot day after tomorrow. Now see, just making a tantrum always.
Guys, she lives with me. She never calls me actually that come and shoot video.
No. She see, we do have a two office, and one is right now we are just sitting, and another is where I will be there. अभी यहाँ मैं वहाँ रहती हूँ. When I call, okay Shavak, are you ready? So let's shoot video for the viewers. Okay, why not? Phone करेगी? Yes, please.
But the thing is that
when the time crossed and she calls and yes, please. I just get angry.
I will tell the truth.
Please.
Whenever I call you, you need to come to this office to shoot video actually. Because the thing is that there is the place, there is everything, every features to shoot video actually. So I call her.
Guys, बड़ा कौन है? मैं बुलाऊंगी, ये आएगी और ये बुलाएंगे, मैं जाऊंगी. बताइए सर.
प्यासे को चल के कुएं के पास आना पड़ेगा. अभी
How can you say that I'm not a pyasa? Okay, I am the kuwa.
We both are pyasi. This is the kuwa. This is hub.
She's right. Actually, it is the hub, because here every day we shoot video. When we come here now, we just feel like yes.
बस इसे यही करना है.
We get energy here. A conference hall, really.
Of course. So that's why now after a long time we both are sitting together and we are.
Shavak, we should not fight each other. We should tell them something.
Actually, this fight is going to help them.
Really? Yes. If you want to fight in English, so just fight like us.
Yes. Fun. Fight. Everything together.
Yes. And I just really want to tell you guys, if you want to learn English, please don't be serious. हमारी तरह मस्ती में रहा करो, फन में रहा करो, एकदम enjoy करके. कुछ लोग होते हैं बोलेंगे, सोचेंगे, अरे भाई why you are becoming so judgmental? Judgmental इतने मत बनो. We are Indian. If you are speaking anything, people will, oh wow, how they're speaking like this, huh? And we always judge ourselves. Okay, maybe he will laugh, maybe she will laugh. Whatever is going to happen, let them laugh. That's not like that. हो गए. अभी हम लोग पता है क्या है, हम भी कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन अब अगर हम सोचेंगे यार हम तो टीचर बन गए हैं, अगर हम गलती करेंगे लोग हंसेंगे. हंसने तो लोग का काम है. जिस पर जग हंसा उसी में तो इतिहास रचा है.
We are just her fun maula. need to be like Harfan Maula.
हरफन मौला बनो, क्योंकि कभी कभी ना होता है कि नॉलेज चलो ठीक है नहीं, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा है, उसी से हम जी रहे
It happens sometimes actually. That whenever we need to speak, we are having confidence. That's why we're able to speak something. If sir gave us,
we didn't decide anything. I called Sabak and Sabak was saying, okay, what do you want to make? So I thought, okay, let's sit. And हमें पता ही नहीं था, we are just talking each other. Now we are just telling. कि अब हम बातें कर रहे थे और आपको बता रहे क्या हमने कुछ पढ़ा क्या हमने कुछ ऐसा script no script no anything, but we are speaking, we are trying to speak. You guys also can try whenever you are at your home, try to speak. Okay, now I'm going to cook food. Okay, what should I cook food today? आज मुझे क्या बनाना चाहिए? Okay, let's cook any special for my mama, for my brother, for my sister. Just make English sentences and speak again and again. Yes, Shaba,
I cook for her.
Oh my God, yeah. In morning time, she made Maggie for me.
She's like,
Megan, what are you doing? Actually, I was getting late.
And I was saying to Shafak, please, I'm going. My time is at 10. Oh, come on, make Maggie for me. And she was saying, you are just saying always like this. सुबह में तो भी काम नहीं करती हो, रात में आती हो तो कहते हो मुझे ऑनलाइन क्लास लेना है, कब काम करोगी? See, ऐसी बहन किसी की होती है?
See, one thing also, I do everything. I never force her to do work actually. I know she is busy, she is occupied, hectic schedule. So that's why never. If she wants, then she can cook. Only there is a one condition. If one time I make biryani, next time she needs to make it.
No, guys, listen.
But last 2 times I made it.
Yeah. As if they wanna eat off my hands. अगर ये मेरे हाथ का खाना खाना चाहते हैं ना तो क्या बोलेंगे? तुम ये चीज अच्छी बनाती हो. What a liar they are. What a liar. अच्छा कबाब बना ना, तुम ये अच्छा बनाती हो. As they buttering me, then they okay, ठीक है बनाओ.
There is also one condition. If I say to her, I want to eat biryani, like if you made it, then I will. If you make it, then I will eat it. So I need all the process of the biryani. Then she go into the kitchen and then she make it.
It's right. She always says that ki okay, ठीक है, I will just arrange all the things. You just only
Touch the ladle.
Touch the ladle and please, it will become tasty.
Then I follow.
It's not my mistake. Even I bring each and every single thing from the market, then I come to the home, then I do all the process of the biryani. Or she come into the kitchen and they're like,
why she just made it like this? She always says, okay, you just touch the ladle. After touching the ladle, it will become tasty. That's why I'm following this thing. So what is the problem in that?
Yeah, she said. And now in the evening, she is going to make gujia actually.
Yeah.
Today I will make it gujia because they are saying that today is Saturday and tomorrow will be Sunday, so there will be the holiday. So you need to make the gujia for us. I said that okay. I said that okay, it's all right. On Sunday I can do for you anything, whatever guys you want. But in the weekdays I can't do anything because I'm very busy after sleeping whole day. No guys, no.
You see, she will make the nowadays I'm sleeping. I'm not sleeping. I just take a nap only.
If you're sleeping for 6 or 7 hours, is it a nap? Is it a nap? As compared to that day, it is a nap.
Yeah, that day.
I was sleeping whole day. So as compared to that day, for me it is a nap. 6 hours is a nap.
6 hours, not
nap. It's just like a power nap.
Yes.
I can understand this because when she was in village, she used to sleep whole day, and the parents and like everybody was like, when she will wake up, when the time will come.
I was just guide.
I am a dulari at my home.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the dulari of my father and my brother. She's not.
She's absolutely right. When she sleeps, nobody call her. Just wake up. If I or any other person sleep, हाँ 6 बज गए 5 बज गए 5:30 बज के उठ जाओ.
And yeah, nobody just wake me up.
कोई मुझे नहीं उठाता.
After making
because they knew, वो जानते थे और they know, वो जानते हैं कि she is very hard working
and
person.
one thing also she did, after all the recent breakfast and every like food and lunch, then she wake up, wash the face, brush, then come to the kitchen, then yeah. now I need to then again go to the bed.
ये आपने सुना होगा ना कि आप कितना सोते मैटर वो नहीं करता, आप उठने के बाद क्या करते मैटर वो कर। तो मैंने आके फिर सो जाना है, मेरे घर वाले का ये वही गाइस, वी शुड शो द रिजल्ट टू आवर होम। हम अपने घर वालों को अपने घर पे हमें रिजल्ट दिखाना, एंड आई शोड, मैंने दिखाया रिजल्ट की, यस आई एम समथिंग, एंड नाउ देन दे आर नॉट स्कॉल्डिंग मी एंड दैट सेइंग एनीथिंग। अगर मैं सोना चाहती हूँ सो, अरे मेरी बेटी थक के आई है, मेरी बेटी काम करते, अब इनकी तरह बैठ गए, रोज तो ये बैठ जाती है, पॉडकास्ट करना है ये करना। Oh, even since morning to till evening I teach continuously. What about that?
What do you want to say about me?
Yeah, and she just comes and wear the jacket and the blazer and she sit and she starts shooting video. Is it really hard work?
I also operate computer whole day. This is for the weak point of my eyes. Like I make the designs.
Okay, you are operating the computer by your finger, so I'm also just writing by my finger.
I shoot 2 to 3 videos in a day. Even sometimes I also teach students when they need my help. Then I also do this. These
tell me which students that need your help?
Every student. Yesterday I just yesterday I came in the class and they were like, ma'am, please for the week you just need to take our class for a week. They were like,
I just want that for a week you just go from our home.
If I go from your home then you will be like sitting idle. हम तो फाका करेंगे. Even she was saying that if I need to be alone then I will never cook the food. Never.
Yes. If really, I really, it's my hobby. If I'll be alone,
I never cook food.
And yes, I will go eat from outside. I need to tell one thing, even on Sunday, she's like, I can do anything. For whole Sunday, she never cook anything. We're like sleeping it's 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Now, after 7 p.m., now we are going to make something after 7.
I thought that कि मैं हमेशा ये मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है भाई, वीकडेज में काम करते तो वीकेंड में आराम तो जरूरी है ना, ये बॉडी है रिलैक्स तो मांगती है
और खाना भी मांगते हैं साथ
लेकिन लस्सी
तो वो ना। सो गाइस देखिए, अभी हम जो कर रहे हैं हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता, नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं कैसे बोल रहे हैं, बट हमने थोड़ा सा आपको ये सारी चीजें दिखाई है। क्यों दिखाया कि आप कभी भी बैठो बस ऐसे यूं ही बात करने लगो। अब क्या हमें ये सुबह में मैगी बना के, सुबह में क्या इन्होंने मैगी बना के दे दी, इनकी मैगी की तारीफ हो गई, थोड़ा सा इनकी बुराई भी हो गई, तो हम क्या यही एक दूसरे से हमेशा करते हैं। हम घर पे भी ऐसे करते हैं, हम ऑफिस में भी लड़ाई करते हैं, हे शफा व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट। समटाइम हम अपनी वाली लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। कभी कभी ना हम क्या होता है कि जब हम इंग्लिश बोल के एकदम तंग आ जाते हैं तो फिर हम ना कुछ भी बोलते हैं, ऐसे व्हाट्स नॉट you need to go. I'm just saying. I said you need to go there and bring it.
Yeah, he also told me, sir, but there's no sir.
So why you go there? You come and if you sure. See, जब हम तंग आ जाते हैं कि बार-बार हम sentences use कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, full English बोल रहे हैं, फिर हम ऐसे बात करते हैं.
Even my father, my whole family, what they're talking about, ये भी कोई लैंग्वेज है क्या? बट हमें क्या है कि अब देखो हमें क्या है, एक्सप्रेशन बहुत मैटर करता है। अब हमें हाँ कि यहाँ जाओ, ये लाओ, वो करो, ऐसे करो, तो हम ऐसे बात करने लगते हैं। तो आप लोग जब हम ऐसी लैंग्वेज बोल सकते हैं, after this, it's so easy for you guys. Don't make it Burj Khalifa building. Yes, it's not China wall actually. It's just piece of a cake. If you try it, just it will become a piece.
आप इसी तरह रोज फॉलो किया करो अपनी सिस्टर के साथ, अपनी ब्रदर के साथ, अपने किसी की भी दोस्त यार के साथ बैठ के ऐसे ही फन में बोला करो। धीरे धीरे आपकी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव हो जाएगी। अगर आप चाहते हो कि इसी तरह हम रोज लड़ते वीडियो बनाए, कुछ भी करें इस तरह, तो आप मुझे प्लीज कमेंट करके बताइए। मैं रोज सफक की बेइज्जती करूंगी और मैं अपने आप को डिफेंस करूंगी। यस, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।